I found this little treasure on a Japanese auction site for just €15. At first glance, it was a tired old watch, a Seiko 5 DX6 106-7000 that hadn't ticked in years. Under the scratched acrylic crystal was a 25-jewel 6106A automatic movement that first came out around 1967. That movement beats at 21,600 times per hour, has a quick set date you change by pressing the crown, and even hacks, meaning the seconds hand stops for precise setting. This reference was marketed as a deluxe DX, and mine came in a stainless steel case about 36 millimeters, with a subtle silver dial and an unsigned crown. It originally sold for far more than I paid, but decades of neglect took their toll. When I opened it up, the oils were dried, the mainspring was sluggish, and the day-date mechanism barely worked. Over the next few days, I stripped the 6106 down, cleaned every gear and jewel, replaced the gaskets and crystal, and re-lubricated the movement. Slowly, that neglected caliber came back to life, oscillating at its full 21,600 beats per hour. The quick-set day date snapped over crisply, and the case polished up beautifully. Watching this Seiko transform from forgotten junk to a reliable timekeeper reminded me why I love vintage restorations. It cost me less than lunch, yet it holds a piece of 1960s watchmaking history and will now keep ticking for another generation.